So let's talk about the latest and greatest of what you need to know about Shiba Inu. All right, so here is where we're at, guys. If you're looking at SHIB and you're looking at kind of like what is going on, when is it going to turn back on, you always need to do what I call zoom out, right? First place that I look, every time I'm coming in every morning and looking at what's going on, although I'm looking at it all day, all day and all night. We're currently at 2.09 trillion. We did drop below that in an overall market cap, but we're turning back on just a little bit green. And again, remember, I always talk to you guys, look at Bitcoin and look at Ethereum as from a price action standpoint. And you can see the last 24 hours, here's Bitcoin and Ethereum respectively. But in the last hour, you can see that they are trying to come back a little bit. And there's a little bit of bullish momentum trying to come in. I need to make you guys aware, the fear and greed index yesterday hit, as far as I can remember, an all-time low right here right now at a 10, but we've bounced back up to a 23. So that's a positive move where we're getting overall a little bit more of social confidence coming in. Said a different way, less fear, right? Okay, so that is a good thing. So hopefully that will translate into some more retail investment dollars. You and I are retail investment dollars, okay, retail traders. So let's look specifically at Shiba Inu. So again, market conditions are overall turning a little bit positive and related to Shiba Inu, Shiba being a top 13 crypto, this price action does not really surprise me. This is actually directly in line with what is going on in the overall market conditions. I fully expect it to continue to remain flat, if you will, while the overall market is still trying to determine the direction it wants to go, right? We are overall still, the markets are still, for lack of a better way to put it, digesting information. And you know, this last week has been a horrible week for the stock markets, for crypto, etc. You had the Fed come out here in the United States saying that they were going to start raising the interest rates. This is the federal lending rates. So they're going to raise rates this year in 2022. The Fed came out and said that, quote, they were going to tighten up their monetary policy. And number three, they were going to quit injecting as much liquidity into the markets. They've been injecting up to $125 billion. That's with a B every single month. My point to you is that was taken as bad news in the overall market because again, it's a signal that the Fed is doing what they can do to hedge off against inflation, et cetera. There's a lot of moving parts here. You had also the global impact of COVID. You had also supply chain issues, things that we've all talked about it. There's just a tremendous amount of bad news out there overall in general that affected the stock markets, the crypto, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. And so obviously Shiba Inu is not immune to that. And until we can put that behind us as an overall collective market condition scenario, there is nothing that's going to translate to a direct, positive impact of Bitcoin, Ethereum, and everything else starting to move. So until we get past that, until the overall markets turn back on, SHIB is where it's at. Again, I'm holding steady right here, right now. These are not bad levels, not investing advice to be buying in if you so chose. If you're looking at this long term. Again, not a bad scenario, okay? So I just wanted to kind of give you kind of an overall state of the union of what I'm seeing right here, right now, kind of like a what now, what you need to know scenario playing out here. Continue to be here every day, obviously, for you guys. Thank you, truly. I consider it an honor that you guys have given me to give me a voice in this crazy crypto world, and thank you for helping me grow my channel. I truly, sincerely appreciate you guys. And with that, take it easy. Go make some money. See ya.